To get to the library's list of research databases, go to the library homepage at library.ronestate.edu. There, look for the red heading that says Research Databases, and click the link in the text underneath that heading. That link takes you to the A to Z list of all the databases that the library subscribes to. In this screencast, we're going to look at the database called Daily Life Through History. So I'm going to jump straight to that and click on the link to open the database. As the name of the database suggests, this one is really most helpful if you're doing research for a history class. The first time you click on a database link like this, it will prompt you to log in with your Rhone State email address and password. I've already been working in some of the databases this morning, so it didn't ask me to log in just then. But again, the first time you try to open a database on any given day, it'll ask you to sign in with your Rhone State email address and password. Daily Life Through History has an option to browse on the left-hand side. You can browse by time period. So for example, if we were interested in the founding of the Jamestown settlement, Jamestown, Virginia, this heading called The World Beyond Europe 1500 to 1776 is probably going to be the one that we want. And then within there, the subheading called Colonial North America will probably work. And if I do a search on this page using Command F on my keyboard, I can search for the word Jamestown and see if there's anything specifically about that settlement. There is some info about Jamestown on this page, in this article, so if I decided that I wanted to quote or paraphrase from this article, I could scroll down and get the MLA citation for it and just copy and paste that. If you need other citation styles, those are also available. So again, that was using the Browse by Time Period option on the Daily Life homepage. You could also do a search. So we could search for the word Jamestown. And we get 25 results. There's different content types within Daily Life. There are a lot of photos and illustrations, as you can see. Then there are things called reference articles that have more text. So you could scroll through and look at any of these, open any of these. And again, if you find some relevant information on a page like this and decide that you want to use it in your paper, you can scroll down and get the MLA citation for it. So that's a quick overview of how you can browse or search within the Daily Life Through History database. If you need help accessing this database, if you need help signing in or coming up with search terms or navigating the browse feature, anything like that at all, please reach out to the library. You can contact us through email or our online chat, and we'll be happy to help you get to the information you need.